I've always wanted to serve the public and make the world a better place. I knew a lot about the expectation of patients, the expectations of other members of staff, and that sometimes those can be very, very difficult to manage.
In my previous clinical practice, that I would be upset and I'd go home upset because I felt like I wanted to do more for the patients that I was seeing, and that just wasn't possible with the resourcing that we had available to us.
But the emotional side, when you're looking after really poorly people that are dying at home on their own, I'd come home most days crying, and the children asking, why's Mummy crying again? What's wrong with Mummy? There's nothing wrong with me, I'm okay. It was just mentally and emotionally draining on me.
As you go out, you take each barrier off. But I think once you've been there for so long, it's harder to not take things home.
I had actually worked myself to crisis points and just knew I couldn't carry on.
I needed to get out of it for my mental health. I had to move on to take that gamble.
I came to Essity and they're very clear that if there is any further education you would need to do or would like to take part in, that there is funding available to do that, and they will support you. I definitely feel that I was living to work, and now that I've come to Essity, I do have the opportunity to enjoy those things.
The first thing that you're told about is Essity's beliefs and behaviours, which is the courage, the collaboration, the commitment, and putting people first.
Throughout my career, I've worked for different types of employers, and Essity is nothing like those employers at all, so it's very supportive. I know I work for a commercial company, but I also have my own PIN number. So that is protected, so they will encourage you. I can go to conferences, I can do activities that will help with my revalidation and very much keeps me a nurse. So I am, although I work within a sales team, I'm very separate, so I also have a clinical team that I work under.
I now have no fear or no worries about going to work every day.
Who I am today is nowhere near who I was 5 years ago at all, and I actually quite like the person now, and that is down to the support and the company.
My life has completely changed. I want to thank Essity more than anything for taking a gamble with me as well, if I'm honest. Like the education they put me through as well. I would never have got that in previous employment, so thank you.